thank you for today. IMAX is very happy introduce the business center. Our, it's raw material to final finished goods. It's continue to system is necessary. Last before introduce this system, only manpower is very necessary. But this system is perfectly complete. So our working is very simply. And if we go to Japan or another place, but I check and I approve is okay. Very happy. And now is all document is hard print out necessary. But system is introduced, so soft is okay. So paper is less, total is cost is reduced. I'm very happy all things. But I think start to try. If you continue to try, I think the point of improvement. So sometimes discussion and improvement is necessary, I think. So please continue to support for IMAX. Thank you.
Thank you.